The story revolves around Dr. Louise Banks, a renowned linguist, who is called upon by the US military to help communicate with an alien species that has arrived on Earth. 12 mysterious spacecraft have landed in different locations around the world, causing global panic and uncertainty. Louise is recruited by Colonel Baber to join a team of scientists tasked with deciphering the aliens' complex language and understanding their purpose for visiting Earth. As Louise and her team work tirelessly to communicate with the aliens, she begins to unravel the intricacies of their language and discovers that their mode of communication is vastly different from any human language. The film explores themes of communication, empathy, and the consequences of human fear and mistrust.
Today I am going to show you how you can create and build a channel like this. Channel like top 10 action movies, top 10 sci-fi movies, top 10 romantic movies, or any topics like this. First check this channel. Select 10. This channel is using robotic voice. So is this channel monetized? Let's check. Is this channel monetized.com? Now paste the channel link here. And look, this channel is monetized. So using robotic voice, this channel got the monetization. So you can do the same. For topic, you can take any title from this list. Like you can take this one, top 10 best sci-fi movies, top 10 best action movies, top 10 new web series on Netflix. You can take any topic. Like click on this link. Top 10 best sci-fi movies on Netflix. Think this is our topic. So how you will get your movie name? This is simple. Just copy this part. Go to Google and paste the title here. Now look, there are lots of options like this one, this one, this one. You can just visit this link and take your movie name and copy the movie name and paste it to somewhere else. This is the first movie name. Follow the link again. Copy this one. Paste it here. Copy this one. This is the third one. Okay. So in this link, you will get 20 best sci-fi movies. So just choose 10 from this list and paste it to document. So you get the topic and the movie name. Now you need the content. For content, I have some options. First option is go to the link where you got the movie name. Like here, our first movie is Arrival, and here you will get the movie summary or movie plot. You just read this part and make your own content, or you can just rewrite this part. This is the first option. Second option is ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT and write here, write the movie plot of Arrival movie without a spoiler. Then enter. So here is the movie plot. You just copy it and paste it in your document. So here you got the summary of following this way you can get the summary of all 10 movies. This is the second option. Third option is YouTube. Go to YouTube and search Arrival movie explained in English. Check. Here are lots of options. You just watch on and make your own content. This is the third option. And the last option is you can watch the movie and make your own summary. So after getting content, we need the voiceover. So voiceover, we are going to use 11 laps. So just copy your content and paste it here. Every time it will take 2500 characters. So make your voice part by part. Now from this list, you can choose the voiceover artist. Like I am selecting this one. Now click on generate.
The story revolves around Dr. Louise Banks, a renowned linguist, who is called upon by the US military to help communicate with an alien species that has arrived on Earth.
Okay, it's done. Now click on this download button. So it has been downloaded. Now we need to edit a video. Before editing video, we need some videos and images. Like for Arrival movie, search Arrival movie trailer. So here is on trailer, here is on trailer. You just take on and download it. Now we need some image. So just copy it, search it in Google. Now images. there are lots of images. You just download few. So I have downloaded the trailer and few images. Now for editing I am going to use CapCut. CapCut is a free and very much user-friendly software. So you just download and install it. Now import all the files. I am importing all the files. Now drag the audio first, then the trailer. First mute the audio of the trailer. That's it. Now make two 5 to 6 second clips of this trailer. Start from this one, start from here. I am going to make a 6 second clip. Look, here is 10 seconds. So split it here and delete the first part and keep the 6 second clip. Then go to somewhere else of the trailer and look, here is 18 seconds. I split it here. I will make a 6 second clip. So this is 24 seconds. Now again split it here. Now delete this part and keep the 6 second clip. So I make two clips. First one is this one and second one is this one. You just make 3 or 4 clips like this. You can take the clip from any position. It doesn't matter. Like I am taking the third clip from this position, like 24 seconds. I am splitting it here and go to 30 seconds and split it here. So this is our third clip. I will take another clip. Just go to anywhere of the trailer, split it and take another 6 second clip. Like 52 seconds, 48 seconds. Now delete the rest of the things. So I have taken 4 clips. This is the most important part. How I am going to use the clips and images. Keeping my channel safe, I am going to use both clips and images. So first I am going to use this clip. Just adjust it with your screen. Now click on the clip, go to speed and follow the speed. Mind it, just click on the clip, go to speed and follow the speed. That's it. Then after the first clip, take on image. Now I am going to give some animation to this image. Just click on here and come here and scale it. Check the animation.
Help communicate with an alien species that has arrived on Earth.
Okay. Now drag the second clip here, adjust it. Now go to the speed and follow the speed. That's it. Now bring another image. Click on this keyframe first, then go to end and scale it. Okay. Drag another clip. Now adjust it. Go to speed and follow the speed. Now drag another image. Add on keyframe first. Go to end and scale it. Now drag another clip. Adjust it. Go to speed and follow the speed. Now drag another image. So just add a keyframe here and go to the end and scale it and position it like this way. So I have completed the editing of first movie, and you just follow this process and complete the rest 9. This is the process. I think you understand what I have done. Just first use a clip, then on image, then on clip again, then on image, and just follow this way. It will keep your channel safe. So after that you can add some effects. So go to effects and you can add some effects from here. Like I'm adding this one. Just drag it here and make it long. Look now.
The story revolves around Dr. Louise Banks, a renowned linguist.
You can control it by here, like limiting the speed, size, strength, twist. You can add another one like this one here and stretch it now. You can control the effect from these options like atmosphere, color, filter, size, everything. I have added another effect. Just I am controlling the effect. Always add some effect over your content. Now add some music. Like I have downloaded this one from YouTube Studio. So just drag it at the bottom, decrease the volume level I am just splitting it here and delete the last portions. So our editing is complete. Now go to text template and add a template here. Delete this portion. Now select this one and write the movie name, Arrival. Drag it here, make it a small. Now check.
The story revolves around Dr. Louise Banks, a renowned linguist who is called upon by the US military to...
So our editing is complete. You just follow this process and complete the rest then. Now I am exporting it. Just export. This is the way I made my videos. So let's check our video.
The story revolves around Dr. Louise Banks, a renowned linguist who is called upon by the US military to help communicate with an alien species that has arrived on Earth. 12 mysterious spacecraft have landed in different locations around the world, causing global panic and uncertainty.
And this is the things they are doing. They are not watching all the movies or all the web series. They are just following this way. So you just follow my steps and make your own YouTube channel.